Alright guys, I'm doing my NT 410 build right now by Tekin. And we're on the step to where we need to put the ESC in. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys of the Tekin 1/8 scale. Let's see what's in here. Okay, there's the motor and the ESC. We got the sensor wire, wire to hook it up, the receiver wire, some instructions, warnings, stickers, and the fan. Alright, let's get this motor and ESC out. Alright, this is my first time seeing one in person. I gotta say, it is pretty nice. The motor's big. There's the motor. ESC. Get the fan on and we'll get it in the truck. Alright guys, there's your unboxing. Just wanted to show you everything it came with.